Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, dan Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baganet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Ka Sohra International Half Marathon kelalong ke job da ka jimi patba jeng kinong mare ke jela bat kumju da ka jingwan bani shimanta de kinong mare kiba nabar ke jela bat kikat tu kat ningot kinong mare kiba dei na kiwei bat kiri ya ke bala pelong ha ka arpuwe tere no pra araja arpuar ya kene jing kop la phya ha ka kerdan ye khun jong ka elite kenthai bat shenrang nangta ka meglia PRC kenthai bat shenrang ban haba khen kelum baro ikinoi shimanta kilong lai spa san pesan ngot shenrang si spa lai phnyo ngot ki kenthai bat baro ki balai poi bani shimanta shkene jing kop mare ha baro ki kerdan ye khun ka jing kop kilong south spa khandai pu ar ngot haba phai ki result jong ka 21k elite jong ki shenrang u nong job hakene jing kop de u adisu bekele adebe nakari Ethopia bat uban baar pat uday utirtha pun na India balai utu chiruyut na Kenya kat bagi no mare ki bala poy ka kerdan ke basau bat basan jong kene jikop kilong u kemai ilija ki pruto na Kenya bat u ki bikram maitai na India haba phai pat chaka jikop mare jingi kenthai ka nong job kene kenti ka Bynta ka dei ka richa bahaduria na India baar ka Christine Kambua muyanga na Kenya balai ka arpita saini na India kat baki thaya mare ki bala poi ha ka kerdan ka basau bat ka basan kilong ka Mar Queen Les Ramsey bat ka Susan Chebet na ka jela Meghalaya India ka result na ka kerdan ya khun jong ka PRC Meghalaya na ka liang jong ki shenrang kilong u skamlang suba u bala poi ha ka kerdan ka beningkong u Anil Guram u bala poi ha ka kerdan baar bat u Adrisha bala poi ha ka kerdan ka balai kat bah kaliang jugi kenthei kinong job ha ka kerdan ka beningkong kadai ka kenti mon marwen baar ka darisha yang jo bat balai de ka daplin walang haba phai pat saji kop mare jong ka 10k jong ki shenrang u noy mare bala poi ha ka kerdan beningkong udai u badon sing tham baar u pensngan lang khar bat balai u kedrek kharpo kat bagi noy mare ki bala poi kerdan ka basau bat ka basan kilong James Tamang bat u Joe Branson marwen haba phai pat syakaliang ki kenthai ka nong job kadai ka Bynta res marbanyang baar ka Starina Jasan bat balai ka Smarless marwen kat bagi no mare ki bala poi kerdan ka basa bat basan kilong ka Trisina bat ka Sya Mali Chakraborty ki nong job hakni gajing mare ki layo khori ka khusnam da ka song pisah yakni gajing mare la ka we lama do director jakatnat sports and youth affairs US Awasti bat ha ka jing sami ki khusnam la sakilang du commissioner secretary katnat ka koi ka kya usampat kumar ringkat ke jingdon lang jong kinong kit kam ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ki officer jong katnat sports ki district sports officer bat kiwe
dah patut ya baik ayo maduk ya nak Just you. What balance lo head. Ya be. Satu be speed mah. Ya nak. Ya. Ya. Enak.
So, ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, we have the categories for the elite men. To the medal winners, all of you kindly be here. Be present for this historic event where we have this first Sohra International Half Marathon here.
And this international marathon, which is conducted on the Golden Jubilee celebrations of statehood. This is something very important for us, and I'm sure, I was talking to Dr. Vijay, I think if this kind of a marathon can become an annual event, that would actually make people to really look for coming and participating. So I think more and more participation would happen. I think this is so important. As as a health secretary, I would like to tell you, there is nothing better than doing this, because when we talk about health, people only talk about medicine, but there is much more before medicine. That is the preventive health. I think that happens only if young people and everyone, not only young people, young and old and everyone, start participating in this kind of an exercises. Especially marathon is something, it's like a meditation. It provides both physical health as well as mental health, which is also very, very important. I think, I'm sure this is a very good initiative taken up by the Sports and Youth Department, and I really congratulate each one of you for participating in this, and I'm sure this will also kickstart a kind of a movement in the state, not only in the state, maybe in the country, for more and more people participating and acting on this kind of a very positive preventive health activities. So
Smarless Marwin and bib number 515 Trishina and bib number
15,000. Let's clap for him. Tangin thafti lang ken kini kilaya mare but kilaya opisa tangin thafti nam ta janki. And the first place we have Badan Singh Tham. Congratulations Badan, winning a cash prize of rupees 30,000. And we have a big round of applause once again tangin thafti kini rangba kijongi Sunpost nam shaneng kidon. Congratulations.
is Martinez. She will be receiving a cash prize of rupees 10,000. Second place, Darisha, receiving a cash prize of 15,000. And the winner goes to Kintimon Marwin, receiving a cash prize of 30,000. Please give them a big hand.
Winning a cash of 10,000. Second place, Anil Guram, winning a cash of 15,000. Bib number 314. And the champion in the PRC Mengla Men 21 category, first Sohra International Half Marathon, we have Skemlang Suba. Let's give them a big round of applause. So just quickly to call
Please give her a big hand once again. 50,000 rupees. Arpita Saini. Second place, receiving a cash prize of 1 lakh. Christina Kambua. And to the winners, ladies and gentlemen, please give her a big hand. Richa Bhaburaya.
It's 21 kilometers, so we cannot run like how they run. So let's cheer for them. Congratulations to all the runners.
Third place, Chariot, receiving a cash prize of 50,000. Second place, Titra Paul, receiving a cash prize of 1 lakh. And the winner, Adisu Bekelu, cash prize of 1 lakh 50.
Kalong kasngi kapustunat berkalong ka fast international marathon jong ka Sohra.
Hello, son.
Te
Where are you?
aku boleh sebut kenya ka Sohra half marathon bakal pelong ya kani ka jingi marathon. Te nga aku mi be ilong kumi jong ka sanfo snem sajrong ngacim Bynta ya kani ka 10 kilometer. Te hakan ka jingi mare jong ngamenta ngala long baningkong naki sanfo snem sajrong jong ki kentai.
Tidak pernah bertanya hendak tinggi kumno fipoi long bun ki kita je hari sanpo kim jupai mare syam rekai berperlong fi ban haru fin lang ban compete kan lo kumno fi krek la dia na
kaji ban krek tengam dadan tan man ka dari kalong kemi ngabun kampalat haying te kawai kalong kajing standard jong ahi bat kawai ru kalong ka kajing amsim na yeng na do ikpa na do bakikun baro ki amsim yang kum tanga yo ya kajing job ha kan kasni
long kali smart balik mare step berpikir ne kumno ne kali
kajing mana step ngam smart na mar walai ngalong kalong kemi bun kam hapan biang ki kun ki sayeng te habang adon kini ki jing mare kini ki kini ki ini habadon kani kajing mare kani jing la kai kum ni te ngasai li protesi katukan ni sngi rim di ong man kasni de man katayom de man kunai habayo yo ban lain mare kum ni te ngasai li protesi si tayo ai
mana khat fatari ngadang mare apo Kolkata namta gata steel Kolkata 25k naka sanpho gata kari 50 to 55 te nga poi apo ga 4% sikenta so 5 minute te nga hone kani ka timing ba nga poi alis bagi nong mare gababun ba gidi international bon sabar banyakhon banyasim mata para kaju ka kategori bayu te hangni po Sohra ru kalong ka jaka mare ka jaka kalong ka pasutanat ba mar kini ki environment kini ki kilom kiwa ka surok ru kalong ka ba sutanat ba kalong ka ba ban mare marathon kawai ru nga ngadai unong mare jong ka Meghalaya police ngasim Bynta bun jong all India police kim cross country race te ngadang mare makani po jong ka yu tanga poi ka koi ka gold medal ba silver nanta first service nga posting jongaru kadai hangni nga train po first service te kani kadai training ru jongahi te nga sultanat nanta bangayo ban klik ikani ka timing ru live 1 minute atau second kadai ka best timing jonga hangni po Sohra ru ba 10k te ngai tanat gibreu Sohra ru baki ya thap kti ya support gibun ya support lor brokoi hapa bingi mare kani ka pani ka burom ya ke jela Meghalaya pada kari India ru khamtam kini international ki bawan sabar belum kenang pura bang ki i bagi beriu ki i bagi marathon ki support te kani kali kawai ka message ka best time ka bayu te kawai ngaku aban ai ka marathon kan promote susu bun i kategori babun ba kanlong kum ka jingilong perlok baru ki bajob omdai tanga marwai bajob bat kitu benkong ba arbalain lai baru kai besim mentah ni kidai kinong job nomor badai ngidai kita ki finisher bat ngi klik la ka jong ka best timing to khui sibu ni fi ba